We have some amazing missionaries out there, and they are sacrificing so much to be where they are, but they're choosing to go to forgotten places. So these conferences are a way that the mission, that supporters and donors can help build back into their missionaries.
You have the pastor hat, you have the missionary hat, you take one off and you put the other on, and there's really no time in between.
Our missionaries are always outpouring their love, their support to their community, to their church. And this is the 1 week we get to pour into them.
We minister to the mothers and fathers, and we also minister to the kids. We have different programs that we do for elementary kids as well as the teens and the upper youth group. And then we also have child care for the younger ones, so that the parents will have that time where they can just focus on the Lord and just get ministered to.
It's a really blessing just to be able to come and to not worry about what's for dinner, or breakfast or lunch for that matter.
Other missionaries have strengths that I don't have, so I draw from their strengths.
They get like a new shot on the arm, or they get some hope. It is one of the pieces that helps them go long term.
It's like drinking from a waterfall being here. We're only here for 4 days, and we can't get enough, but it's enough to hold us over till the next year. That's a rare thing for us, like a gem or a jewel. It sure is precious.
The time when the entire district gets together, and just so thankful for those that have made that possible so that we can come back together and be encouraged and then be sent back out for another year to do what God's asked us to do.
It's a really good time for the ladies to get together. We have prayer groups, and we get together and just pray with one another, encourage one another in just our little small groups.
We're given resources and training and encouragement and accountability and people we can go to when there's hardships in the church that can help us navigate that in a God-honoring way. And I've never seen that anywhere else.
All of that helps missionaries go away with, that was a week of time invested in me, allowing me to go back and serve wholeheartedly. That's really the goal, that's the desire.
Village Mission's tagline, helping country churches thrive. Staff conference is vital to that, to have something like staff conference where that family as a whole can come together for a week, just take a step back from the ministry and just to really focus on what the Lord is having for them, to be assured of their calling.
We didn't realize initially how vital they were to our mental health, to our spiritual health. Was thankful that there were supporters who were willing to say, hey, we feel it's important for you guys to kind of huddle back up together before we send you back out.
Thank you for providing for all of our needs and many of our wants. We don't need to be at this conference every year, but we sure always want to come, and the benefits are overflowing.
Thank you so much. We see the financial benefit of the place we stay, being able to support us all, to have us all in one place, and for that place to be a safe place, being able to connect to others. We get so much benefit from your support, the financial support, but also, for us to come here and spend 5 days, which isn't a whole lot of time, but for us to be able to open up like we do and unburden ourselves and be touched by the Holy Spirit and invigorated, that can only happen through answered prayer, and we do feel your prayers. It does have an impact, and it is making a difference, so thank you so much.